Greetings fellow chemistry lovers! Today we're going to conduct an experiment on molecular gastronomy called reverse spherification. Let's get to it! For this experiment, we're going to need blender, beakers, calcium lactate, sodium alginate, xanthan gum, table salt, cheesecloth, metal utensils, precision scale, food coloring, pH test strips, and vegetables.
First, chop up the cucumber and put it in a blender. Blend it well and strain it through a cheesecloth. After making sure the pH level is above 4, add 2% calcium lactate and 0.5% xanthan gum weight-to-weight ratio and blend again. Lastly, pour some blue and yellow food coloring, mixing it well. Then, do the same for the onion and the tomato and put them in the fridge overnight in order for the air bubbles to escape. The next day, pour your mixtures into a silicone ice cube tray and freeze them overnight. When the process is complete, heat up the aqueous solution containing 0.5% weight-to-weight ratio of sodium alginate and put your ice cubes in it.
But first, let's look at what is happening on a molecular level. The free positively charged calcium ions form bonds with the negatively charged oxygens of the alginic acid groups, which when scaled up look like this.